Hi! So, we're gonna tutorial or teach you how to calculate simple interest. We have 3 objectives. Number 1, understand what simple interest is. Number 2, calculate simple interest. Number 3, apply simple interest in real life. What's simple interest? Simple interest is a quick method of calculating the interest charged on a loan or investment. We have key terms. Number 1, principal. P, the initial amount of a money borrowed or invested. Number 2, interest rate. So, R, the percentage charged or earned on the principal for a specific period, usually per year. Time. Number 3, time. T, the duration for which the money is borrowed or invested, usually in years. So, why is important understanding simple interest? Help us in making informed financial decisions.
Hi guys, I'm Prasad, and I'll explain the formula for simple interest. The formula is SI equals P times R times T. P means principal or yung puhunan. R is the rate, and T is the time in years. For example, kung 1,000 ang puhunan mo with 5% interest for 1 year, SI equals 1,000 times 0.05 times 1 equals 50 pesos. So, kikita ka ng 50 pesos after 1 year. Yun lang. Sana may natutunan kayo. Yun lang.
3. Calculating simple interest. Step 1. Identify principal, interest rate, and time. Step 2. Convert the interest rate to a decimal. E.G.5% equals 0.05. Step 4. Plug in values into the formula SI equal Px of xt. Step 4. Calculate the simple interest.
Example 1. Problem. Calculate the simple interest on a loan of 5,000 per year. For 3 years yon. So, kanina binanggit natin ang meaning ng P, R, T, S, I, ang mga key terms na ito. Solution. P equals 5,000 pesos. R equals 8% equals 0.08. Then T equals 3 years. And the SI or the simple interest equals 5,000 pesos times 0.08 times 3 equals 1,200. Example 2. Problem. Find the simple interest on an investment of 10,000 at an interest rate of 10% per year for 6 months. Solution. P equals 10,000 pesos. R equals 10% equals 0.10. T equals 6 months equals 0.5 years. And the simple interest is equal 10,000 pesos times 0.10 times 0.5 equals 500.
Applications. Savings accounts calculating interest earned on savings. Savings learns understanding their interest charged on personal loans. Investment evaluating simple investment returns.